Today in the grain market, soybeans were steady. Brazil drought is offering some support to the market right now, but the trade has really been consolidative, even in spite of the fact that the China economic data is kind of poor. So they're worried about demand coming out of there. November hit a 13-cent range today. We're above that $10 mark. We got up to actually 10.13. Right now, we added in the option open interest 2,600 to the calls, 8,300 to the puts. That's just showing that there's a lot of participation. Now, the objective on the upside would be 1040. And we're not really that far from that. So if the market starts to rally, we looked at that would be an area that it could slow down, but that's really just a technical number. The put side would be 950 on the downside. CVAL's at 19.5%, with the soybean oil at 30.8 and the meal at 25.8%. Corn today was lower. The yield data suggests that there's a bumper crop. Certainly those numbers came out of Illinois and Indiana, giving some market support. Also, money managers are doing some short covering, so that's really giving it a lift as well. December really had a modest range today, about 4.5 cents. We got up to 4.10, but again, mainly consolidative. Option open interest added a little bit to the put side, about 2,300 here. The ranges for option open interest is at $4 to $4.30, so we're inside that range. It's pretty small, but I haven't seen it break out anytime soon. We'll see. The CVAL is at 20.8%. Wheat today was the story. It did fall. That U.S. production forecast is on the rise, as well as Australia has announced that they are producing a pretty sizable crop as well. And it seems that profit taking also is taking place here, where the market hit that $6 mark last week, and I think everyone came in and started to take something off the table right now. Interesting thing about wheat is the option open interest, the totals are only 75,000 on the calls, 55,000 on the puts. That's well behind last year's number. Perhaps that's showing that why the market is a little bit thin right now. The CVAL is at 29.8%.